Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's iridium silver. Under the hood is a 2-liter inline-6 turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the GLE are front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one does come with the illuminated star. At night the emblem does light up in the LED. For wheels we've got 20-inch 10-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. Black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we got our GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Trailer hitch. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a gray oak wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. We've got our new touchpad steering wheel controls that are now controllable on our two 10.25-inch high-resolution monitors. Also has Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition. New to Mercedes is our touchscreen for our media display. We've got navigation, a rear view backup camera. Also new to Mercedes is MBUX.
How may I help you?
Which you can give it simple commands as change.
What can I do for you?
Change ambient light to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
So as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands. We've got dual climate controls, a wireless charging station, our key, cup holders, our new touchpad which controls the media display, our dynamic selects for different driving settings. This GLE has 3,973 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE, check out feldmanimports.com.